So we're going to upload a video onto or our document to using Kami to our SIS Buzz, Edgenuity SIS Buzz. So we go over here and we're going to download it like this. All right. So we're going to use our Google Drive. I hope it works. How would you like to export to? Google Drive. That way I don't have to save it on my computer. I save it on the district's Google Drive with annotations. So when we showed our work, those are annotations. So it's going to be named Kami exporter, whatever. And then, so we're going to begin our export. 3 pages. So let's see. It should work. All right, keep your fingers crossed. All right, so I'm going to open it to Google Drive. All right, and there it is right here. Okay, it's a PDF file, so let's check it out. And did it work? Oh yes, my goodness. Thank you. All right, so there's all your work. And you notice I have my work there, I just don't have answers. Beautiful, beautiful. All right. So then when you want to submit it to back to your Edgenuity, you're going to submit it back to your documents. Well, that wasn't supposed to be like this.